another video again today. How are you, everyone? Hope everyone is good. Like me, always I'm good. Ayan, guys. The weather here today is like rainy weather. It's raining here. Start yesterday, still yesterday. So another update of our mahiwagang kilikili. Ayan, hope you enjoy watching the last video we had for our armpit. So yeah, it's really growing already. We're gonna put that one in the zoom, so just wait for that. Wow, look at that. It's just so. This is morning. It's really